Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss Campus Area Network. Here, CAN stands for Campus Area Network. A CAN is a network that joins two or more LANs together. The best example can be your university, which has hostel, library, and other departments. Each department has its own LAN and all the departments are connected to each other, which will be called as CAN. CAN is also called as Corporate Area Network when it is installed in a large company. In CAN, the networking equipments are switches and routers, and transmission media is optical fiber or copper plant. CAN is entirely owned by campus. Now we'll discuss some advantages of campus area network. CAN is economical as it uses fewer cables, switches, hubs and routers. We can easily transfer data, messages between the departments if they are connected to each other. CAN uses wireless connection to connect between different departments or buildings. In CAN, files transferred with a high speed over internet. Normally, all departments will have the same internet service providers. In CAN network, firewall or proxy server are used for security purpose from unauthorized access. Now we'll discuss some disadvantages of campus area network. CAN has a maximum length of 40 meters. CAN does not support maximum number of nodes. It can connect up to 64 nodes due to electrical loading. In CAN, maintenance cost is expensive as compared to other networks. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.